Hi students. So in this video we are going to discuss about section formula for external division. Section formula for external division. Let me see. Section formula. Section formula for external division. External division. If any point P x comma y will divide the given line segment joining points A x1 y1 B x2 y2 in the ratio of m is to n internally. So we have the formula. So if it is external division, let me consider this is A x1 y1 B x2 y2 B x2 y2. This is a line segment joining point. If P is any point, if it is interior, already we discussed the formula. So if it is exterior, so let me consider this is a P x comma y. P x comma y will divides the given line segment joining point. This is M and this is N. So M is to N ratio externally. Then what is the formula to find P of x comma y is equals to M1 x2. This is M. This is M2. M1 M2. M1 x2 minus M2 x1 by M1 minus M2 comma M1 y2 minus M2 y1 by M1 minus M2. So this is called external division. Okay, if a point P divides the given line segment joining points externally in the ratio of m is to n, then formula will becomes minus negative. So if it is internal, then P point must lies inside here, then it will becomes plus. Then it becomes plus. So we can derive this formula same as previous formula. So now this is for external division. External division. Now some applications of section formula. What are the applications of section formula? So let me consider applications of section formula. Applications of section formula. Section formula. So what are the applications of section formula? First, sectioning is nothing but we know. So we can divide the given line segment into two parts with the help of another point, if it is internal point or external point. Okay, so now bisection, or we can take it as midpoint. If any point will divides the given line segment joining points in the ratio of 1:1 or equally divides point P x comma y, if P x comma y divides the given line segment joining points in the ratio 1:1 or equally is known as midpoint, middle point. Now let me consider this is A x1 y1 B x2 y2. So this is P x comma y. If it is middle point, so actually by the sectioning, this is 1:1 ratio. So it is M1 is to M2, where M1 and M2 both are same. That's the reason why we are taking it is 1:1. So we have the formula P of x comma y is equals to, if it is internal point, then M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2 comma M1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So in the place of m1 and m2 we should consider 1 and 1. So 1 into x2 x2, 1 into x1 x1 by 1 plus 1 2. This is y2 plus y1 by 2. So just simply we can write it as x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So simply we are calling it as the average of x coordinates and the average of y coordinates gives the middle point of the given line segment. Middle point of the given line segment. This is called midpoint formula. So very important midpoint formula. If a midpoint of given line segment joining points a x1 by 1 and b x2 y2 is, so p of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. It is nothing but average of x coordinates and average of y coordinates. Okay. So this is called a bisection formula. Now coming to trisection. If it is bisection, so it is required only one point on the line segment joining points x comma AB. So if it is trisection formula, trisection points, trisectional points. So trisectional points. If you want to divide the given line segment into three parts, okay, we need to consider any 2 points on the line segment. So if you want to divide the given line segment into 2 parts, it is enough to make 1 point on the line segment. But in the case of we are going to divide the given line segment into 3 parts, suppose A, B, so we are going to divide this AB into 3 portions. So that 3 equal portions. We need to require, so 2 internal points. That means 2 places we need to intersect. That is a P point, another one Q point. A x1 y1, B x2 y2 are any 2 line segment joining points. Then 2 more points are placed internally on the line segment. So 2 more points are placed internally on the line segments. If you take this as unknown point, now what is the ratio? So the ratio will be divided 3 equal parts. Equal parts is nothing but AP is equals to PQ length is equals to QB length. What is the ratio? So ratio will be AP is to PQ is to QB. Both are equal. That is 1:1:1. That means this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So that is 1:1:1 ratio. If P divides, if you consider P is unknown point, if P x comma y, so P is unknown point, in what ratio P will divides the AB? So P divides AB 1:2 remaining 2 other ratio, at 1:2 ratio. That means 1:2 ratio. P divides 1:2 ratio and Q divides 2:1 ratio. Now what we have concluded, what is the definition of the trisectional points now? So if any 2 points P comma Q, if any 2 points P comma Q which are dividing the given line segment joining points in the ratio of both 1:2 and 2:1 are called trisectional points. So basically we are using only section formula, but whereas coming to the trisectional points, if any 2 points we have to divide the given line segment into 3 portions, that too So first point will divides the line segment in the ratio of 1:2 ratio, and second point will divides the given line segment joining points in the ratio of 2:1 ratio. Or one more definition also we can write. So any 2 points will divide the given line segment joining points into 3 equal portions, or we have to write another definition. Any 2 points will divides the given line segment joining points, the line segment joining points into 3 equal portions or parts. 3 equal parts are known as trisectional points. So very important condition, trisectional points. In this we are getting two more unknown points. So now like that, four sections. So 4 sections, 5 sections. So depends on our requirement, we can take 4 sections or 5 sections. So if you want to consider 4 sections, how it will be 4 sections? This is A, B. So A, B will divide 4 sections, means 3 points are required. This is P, Q, R. So 3 are equal portions. Here P divides in the ratio of 1:1. So 1:3 ratio, and Q divides. This is 2:2. That is equals to 1:1. That is nothing but midpoint. Q is the midpoint of both PR and both AB. Q is midpoint of PR and Q also midpoint of AB. That is because it is 1:1 ratio. Then R divides in the ratio of 3:1. That means 3 more unknown points we can divide. P divides in the ratio of 1:3, and Q divides in the ratio of 2:2, and R divides in the ratio of 3:1. So that means the given AB line segment is divided into 4 parts. That means 4 sectioning parts. So we observed bisection, trisection, 4 sections. Like that we can take n number of sections, we can divide n number of sections. The formula also we can derive like this. Okay students, understood? So now, so if you have any doubts regarding this section formula and applications of section formula, so you have to raise your doubts as a messages or whatever it is. So you have to solve. I'm trying to rectify all your doubts now. Okay, thank you very much.